Hello. Today we see how teachers can use TutAR Whiteboard to teach story My Name by introducing little fly who has forgotten his name. This builds curiosity among students. Next, show how the fly asks and then the tree, "What is my name?" This helps students follow the flow of the story. Continue the chain by introducing cow, grass, and leaf. This helps students remember the sequence easily. Now move the leaf across the board. As fly sees leaf moving, pause and ask students what they notice. This helps fly to remember his name. Teaching becomes simple and engaging with tutor. Use interactive visual to make storytelling fun and interactive for students. Bring stories like My Name to life in your classroom. To explore more, visit tutar.app.